Are you looking for the top 5 small air fryers 2026? Which one should you actually buy? In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at some of the best 5 small air fryers 2026 on the market today. Before we dive in, we've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check those out to find the one that fits your style and budget. Number 1. Cosori 9 in 1 Turbo Blaze Air Fryer. Innovative Turbo Blaze technology delivers a powerful 3,600 revolutions per minute fan speed and temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, achieving crispy, juicy results every time. Cosori's unique 5-fan speed system and precise 90 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit temperature control deliver evenly cooked dishes with perfect texture in every bite. The basket and crisper tray feature a premium ceramic coating that is non-stick, durable, and heat-resistant to improve your cooking experience. Innovative Turbo Blaze technology helps speed up cooking and save time to deliver perfectly crispy family meals, even on busy days. The 6-quart square basket offers a wide, deep design, great for the entire family meals while saving you space on your kitchen counter or cabinet. Enjoy a quieter and more peaceful kitchen environment with Turbo Blaze operating at less than 53 dB even on the highest fan speed. 95%. Enjoy the same crispy fries as traditional deep fry with up to 95% less oil starve. Enjoy all your favorite fried foods without the guilt. Asterisk fat content analyzed by SGS Lab. The non-stick, ceramic-coated cooking basket and crisper plate make cleaning a breeze. Spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying delicious meals. Enjoy flexibility with the preheat function, which adjusts time based on temperature. Easily choose to preheat for optimal results, or skip it as a default setting for a hassle-free experience. Number 2. Chefman 2QT Mini Air Fryer. This small air fryer comes prepared for any culinary challenge. The capacitive touchscreen display can customize your cooking time and temperature up to a maximum of 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Cook food fast up to 3 times quicker than an oven. Say goodbye to excess oil and fat, and hello to healthy cooking. This mini air fryer uses little to no oil to make delicious meals that are good for you. 2. The square basket maximizes its 2-quart capacity. Housed in a sleek, narrow design to keep its countertop footprint small, this air fryer eliminates clutter and extraneous appliances. Halfway through cooking, the Turbo Fry air fryer automatically notifies you with an audible alarm that it's time to shake your food for the crispiest results possible. This 2-quart air fryer is perfectly sized for healthy meals for 1 to 2 people. It fits in perfectly as a mainstay on your countertop, or its small frame fits perfectly in your cabinets. Simple cleanup. The non-stick 2-quart basket and rack are both dishwasher safe to keep cleanup fast and simple. Number 3. Chefman Air Fryer for Cutie Compact Air Fryer. This compact air fryer handles any culinary challenge. Customize cooking time and temperature with the digital touchscreen display, or use one of 4 preset functions for quick one-touch meals. Perfect for serving 2 to 4 people. Achieve the perfect finishing crunch on your air-fried favorites. Increase the heat to 450 degrees Fahrenheit during the final 2 minutes of cooking. Perfect for extra crispy chicken tenders and French fries. The sleek, narrow design of this air fryer maximizes its 4-quart capacity while minimizing its countertop footprint. Its compact size makes it a great space saver, fitting perfectly on your counter or in your cabinets. Enjoy delicious meals with little to no oil. This Chefman small air fryer lets you cook healthier, low-fat meals that still taste amazing. Shake notifications. Get notified with an audible alarm halfway through cooking, reminding you to shake your food for the crispiest results possible. The 4-quart non-stick basket and rack are both dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick and easy. The stylish matte black finish is timeless and easy to wipe clean with a damp cloth. With automatic shutoff technology, this air fryer ensures added safety by turning off when cooking is finished or when the basket is removed. Trusted quality. This air fryer is CTL approved with advanced safety technology for long-lasting durability and comes with a 1-year assurance provided by Chefman. 1500W/120B, RJ38-4T Black. Number 4. Bella 4 QT Slim Air Fryer. The Bella 4 QT Air Fryer features a sleek, space-saving design, perfect for fitting into any kitchen, while providing enough room for big batches of your favorite foods. Save up to 50% more space compared to prior models. Our proprietary coating ensures easy cleanup without PFAS, PFOA, PTFE, lead, or cadmium. Enjoy healthier cooking and hassle-free maintenance, making every meal prep a breeze. The innovative XL basket of the air fryers holds up to 3.3 pounds of food, perfect for family meals. Cook up large batches of fries, chicken, salmon, and more all at once, making mealtime faster and more efficient. With adjustable temperature and 6 presets, air fry, bake, roast, broil, reheat, dehydrate. Preparing quick and tasty meals has never been easier. Enjoy crispy food fast with 1,300 watts of power and circular heat technology. Modern, subtle fluting. Designed with stylish rounded corners, a soft matte finish, and subtle fluting, our premium quality, small kitchen appliances add a touch of modern elegance to any home, enhancing both functionality and aesthetics. Number 5. Chefman TurboX 4 in 1 air fryer. This countertop air fryer produces delicious golden brown results with only a fraction of the oil that deep fryers need. Plus, it cooks quicker than a traditional oven with powerful convection functions. Ditch any extra kitchen appliances with an air fryer that can do it all. This all-in-one wonder has functions for air fry, bake, reheat, and a frozen function which defrosts, then immediately crisps. Program time and temperature up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit with a sleek top-facing control panel. You can set up anything from fries to chicken tenders on this touchscreen air fryer oven. Halfway through cooking, this mini air fryer sounds off an automatic reminder to shake your basket. Guarantee that your chicken wings get evenly crispy and tasty with minimal work. The PFAS-free non-stick basket means food won't get stuck in the middle of cooking. Plus, the basket and rack are both top-rack dishwasher safe to make doing the dishes a breeze. UL approved with advanced safety technology for long-lasting durability and a 1-year assurance provided by Chefman. 1500W/120V, RJ38-5 T Gray.